today the most amazing cookie milkshake. So guys, let's do it. And so we're going to need a blender. And the first ingredient, we want some cookies, of course. My preference is these Maryland cookies. I've tried a few different ones and these have the best flavour for the shake. So chuck in a handful of the cookies, and next, my all-time favourite, some Ben & Jerry's cookie dough ice cream. Chuck in a good few tablespoons of the ice cream. Roughly speaking, we want the same amount of ice cream as raw cookies, and then some full-fat milk. Pour in a good splash of milk, and this recipe's all about adjusting as we go. We want it really nice and thick, so this will get us started. Give it a really good blending up for a minute or two, and then you want to pop off the lid, check for the consistency, and then we want to adjust with a few more cookies, another spoonful of that ice cream, blend for another few moments, and then you want to check it again, make sure it's nice and thick, and the cookies give it a beautiful granuliness that's amazing, particularly when you drink it through a straw. Unbelievable. So when your milkshake is done and it's as thick as you want, we're going to prepare a garnish for the milkshake. So take a pestle and mortar, chuck in one of your cookies, and you want to grind that up so we have a nice crumbly coarse cookie powder. Pop your cookie dust to one side, pour the milkshake out into a glass, squirt over your cream, and then finish with a nice sprinkle of your crumbly cookie dust. Pop in a straw, and there we have an outrageous indulgence. So give it a try, and I'll see you next time.